Assalamu alaikum. I am Ramesh Sultana from United Public School. Welcome to my class Biology, first chapter Cell Structure and Function. So what is cell ma? Cell is the basic unit of our life. Cell is very important in our life. The cell is divided into three types. What are they ma? Cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. These all the things we are read deeply in first class, in our first class only. Just we are doing an activity by seeing that. Just we have to do an activity. In that activity we observe the cell membrane. Okay, so let us start our activity. It is a simple activity. Just we have to take a rohio leaf and we have to cut this leaf, and we have to take leaf peel from that, and we have to take, after taking, just we have to put it on slide, and a drop of water we have to add. Then we have to cover it with a cover slip, and we have to observe in under the microscope. Okay now, afterwards we have to draw the diagrams. Okay, just you see here, the diagrams will be, the structures of cells will be like that. Then now put 1-2 drops of dilute salt solution. What we have to do, we have to put 1-2 drop of salt solution in the slider. What is salt solution? Salt solution is nothing but by adding salt with water, we make the salt solution and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Just we have to keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Then what we have to do, we have to observe in under the microscope. Just we have to observe under the microscope. So what is microscope ma? Microscope is an instrument that is useful for see the tiny parts of the cells in plants, in animals, etc. So microscope is nothing but we have to take this microscope, use this microscope in laboratory for seeing the smallest parts of the cell. Okay, when we put salt solution over the peel of rohio leaf, we are taking rohio leaf nama, in that we take a peel, then we put salt solution. Water present inside the rohio leaf will come outside. The water which will be present in the cell, it will become outside. Then the result will become, what will be our result? Shrinking of cytoplasm. The it result in the shrinking of cytoplasm along with the cell membrane. The cytoplasm and cell membrane will be shrink. It will be totally become shrink. The outer boundary of colored area is actually the cell membrane. So totally at last we get what is cell membrane. The outer boundary, the outer surrounded colored area. What is colored area? We called as cell membrane or plasma membrane. So what is cell membrane ma? Actually, cell membrane is a thin layer known as plasma membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is a thin layer we call as plasma membrane. It present in all the cell. It gives a shape, a size to the cell, and it protect the cell, and as well as it in animal it separate the cytoplasm and protect the cell, and in maintenance balance. And this because of this cell membrane only a substance enter or leave through this membrane only. The exchange of substance take place through this membrane only. So cell membrane play a vital role in the, it is also useful in exchanging of substance take place through this membrane only. Hence, it is also known as selectively permeable membrane. So, cell membrane is also known as selectively permeable membrane. It is also maintenance in the balance in the cell It is also helpful for maintenance in the balance in the cell. Cell membrane is very flexible nature It is very flexible in nature, and it's protect the cell, and it is and it's composed of proteins, lipids, and the cell membrane play a vital role it play a vital role to protect the cell from the preventing the damage. Okay, thank you. So today homework, what is that just you draw these two two structures, rohio leaf peel cell and cell membrane. Oh, okay. In that math, just you see plasma membrane is there. Don't confused about plasma membrane and cell membrane. Both are the same, because cell membrane only we called as plasma membrane, and shrunken cytoplasm is nothing but it is a jelly-like substance that present in the cell we called as cytoplasm. So here these two types are there. Na? Just you have to draw these things and write the whole activity and submit. Write the whole activity and submit in the group. That's all. Thank you.